Bourge Design, the company behind the Arc Hub, one of the best USB-C hubs, is back with its next device, a wireless charger called Venus. Like Arcade Hub, Venus is a simple idea combined with high-end materials. It is made of glass and aluminum, and has simple settings that should make charging your smartphone a bit easier. Spec-wise Venus hits all brands. It is a 10W key charger with USB-C technology, which means you can quickly charge any current smartphone. It is an additional USB-C port on the front and a USB 3.0 fast charging port to top your other devices that may not support wireless charging. The company says the triangular design was used so that Venus could work with phones that have camera bumps to prevent disconnections. There is an aluminum bar near the bottom to prevent your phone from sliding on the surface of the glass, and it has an LED indicator that informs you that your phone is really connected. Venus also supports horizontal and vertical loading,